Hey, hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel. So friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful PVC false ceiling designs. These are all the beautiful and trending designs. Nowadays PVC false ceiling has become more popular than POP and gypsum false ceiling. There are some advantages of false ceiling, like false ceiling has been always considered to give a beautiful look to the room. It is an option to make a space lively. It is an additional design element that is overall space energy efficient. As with the growing demand, an owner can choose from various different types of false ceiling materials that are available in market. A owner can choose as per their allocated budget and limited requirement. The plaster of Paris means POP and gypsum false ceiling is needed, taken care properly and handle it properly. One of the commonly used material is polyvinyl chloride, which is called PVC false ceiling, that are comparatively easy to install and maintain. So let first we understand what is a PVC false ceiling. PVC panels are often used as protective and cladding material in the ceilings of residential, even in the commercial buildings. Basically PVC is very strong at lightweight and it is a factory manufacture. Thus, the finish is seamless and can be built in various designs, colors, size, and length. The PVC panel has hollow core with a shiny surface, and like gypsum false ceiling, PVC false ceiling are to be considered to best as they are waterproof and are more effective, along with what is durable in high moisture areas such as balconies, bathrooms, in even the basements. So, as there are the various qualities of PVC false ceiling, they are preferred in kitchen as they are highly durable, but you don't install in the kitchen because there is a heat resistant, and it is also high durable and easy to maintain also. So in every household the kitchen is the only place where maximum heat is generated, and as PVC false ceiling can easily not withstand with the heat that makes, so you cannot use this false ceiling in a kitchen. It is my personal suggestion. So first you know the pros of PVC false ceiling. Like there are many ways pros of PVC false ceiling, such as they are very sturdy and durable material and can last for years without major and wear and tear loss, nor brittle and are less likely to get damaged while handling usage. These types of ceiling are most affordable than any other type of conventional materials. The installation is easy for PVC false ceiling and does not create a dusty environment during installation. PVC false ceilings are waterproof, termite proof, and do not allow the growth and mildew and mold. So, so there may be a question that PVC or false ceiling, which is better? PVC false ceiling have limited design options. Like PVC false ceiling are versatile and good looking, but PVC is strong and durable, whereas POP is fire resistant and is good to be used in kitchen. PVC is durable than any other. On the other hand, POP false ceiling are great option for insulation against heat. So PVC false ceiling are easy to install, wherein POP requirement installation expertise. PVC is water resistant and ideal for even the bathroom balcony. POP is lightweight and durable. So some eco-friendly options of PVC false ceiling, as we are getting environmentally concerned, there is an option to choose from eco-friendly PVC false ceiling options that can be used in residence. Surely these PVC false ceilings are 100% recyclable. These eco-friendly PVC sheets are light in weight, very strong and flexible that makes it favorable for more environments. There you can see there are the beautiful PVC false ceiling designs, and there are some little bit of disadvantages of PVC false ceiling, like PVC ceiling panels lead a plastic look to the space. The major disadvantages is that joints between the panels are visible. Since PVC is a plastic, it gets damaged when subjected to heat, and we can use energy efficient lights in PVC ceilings as heat emitting lights have to be avoided. Also, they release toxic chlorine over a period of time, so also this material is very harmful when burned. So as per your choice and as per your maintenance and requirement of the false ceiling, as per your budget, this is the most important part when you're designing your house. So you should consider all these points before making a false ceiling for your house. So friends, if you like my videos, then please do subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.